guys, thank you for joining. हाँ जी, तो आज का जो हमारा लाइव सेशन है उसका टॉपिक है हाउ टू ओवरकम कैमरा फियर एंड इसके लिए मैं आज लाइव जाने वाली हूँ ट्विटर बॉय जिनका नाम है मोहम्मद जौहर एंड दिस गाय इज अ ग्राफिक डिजाइनर एंड ऑल्सो वीडियो स्ट्रेटेजिस्ट एंड राइट नाउ ही इज वर्किंग ऑन करंटली बिल्डिंग हिज ब्रांड पर्सनल ब्रांड सो आज का मेन टॉपिक ये होगा कि हाउ टू ओवरकम कैमरा फियर। हम जब नेचुरल होते हैं हम बहुत ही अच्छे से बात करते हैं, बहुत अच्छे से मतलब नॉर्मल रहते हैं, बट देन जब कैमरा सामने आ जाता है देन वी आर टोटल कॉशियस, वी नेवर अंडरस्टैंड कि क्या करना है, कैसे बोलना है। कुछ बहुत ही कम लोगों में ऐसा टैलेंट होता है, दोज हु कैन स्पीक। सो विदाउट एनी डिले चलो मैं उन्हें ऐड करती हूँ। गो लाइव। Hello, I
Hello.
can't see you. Hi,
The
now I
the camera was shifted.
okay, I thought so. So how are
Yeah.
you?
I'm good. I'm good. I'm good. How are you?
So you are in Kerala right now, right?
Yes, I am.
Okay. So वहाँ पे हमेशा बारिश वारिश होती है, अभी कैसा है मौसम फिलहाल?
Right now, there's no rain, but it's pretty hot right now, almost
Oh,
all the time.
right. I told you about my friend, right? Even she lives there. She was talking about this hot climate there. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
So as I introduced you, you are a graphic designer and video strategist. So tell people about video strategist. कुछ अच्छे से उसे explain
So
करो.
basically, I've been a graphic designer and artist my whole life. So
Yeah.
and I've been working as a senior graphic designer in Bangalore for the last 3 years. And right now, I moved into this video strategy stuff because basically, whenever I was even in my college time, when I was finishing my course for graphic designing, I was more into making and video editing. So I used to do a lot of freelance works as well. So that experience in doing video making and video editing, that gave me confidence to even be in front of the camera. So because I am the one who gives advices to the person who is in front of the camera, like do this, do that. So basically it molded me to do stuff in front of camera as well. So
Okay.
once this pandemic hit, since maybe March or June or something, that's the time I started this profile. So basically I've had my paradigm shift. At the beginning I was doing all of my designs, I was doing a lot of logo designs and Twitch overlay designs. Twitch is actually a platform, so I used to do designs for the gamers who stream in that platform. And
Okay, could
later,
you explain because I was gonna just ask you just that question that what is the meaning of Twitcher boy?
so basically the reason why I gave my handle's name as Twisha Boy is something on a long-term vision, because I'll be
Mm-hmm.
doing a lot of Twitch streaming in the future, where I'll be doing whenever I'm doing a video editing or video making, I'll be Twitch streaming and talking with my live audience, and answering their questions and having a live interaction stuff. That's my future plan. So looking at that, having that future plan, I thought to give a name of that now itself. So
Okay.
at the beginning itself, I gave, like I said, I was doing a lot of what is it, logo designs and all those overlay designs. Later I had this paradigm shift where I understood that just selling things right away might annoy people. Like people might just be bored of logos and all that. And
Right.
there's a lot of designers out there, n number of graphic designers. So what I understood was that there is a blooming video what do you say, video urge in platforms nowadays. Like you can see a lot of video ads, people doing video, like people building their brands through videos. TikTok was blooming last
Mm-hmm.
year, right? So it's all
Right.
about videos. For the coming few years, it's going to be videos and live streaming. That's going to be blooming like hell. So I thought, why not give my advice on video making and video editing to others to build their brand? And
It's
that's how
demand
I
of the
started
time
off with it.
actually.
Sorry.
Yeah, in 2020, most of the people were active on social media and OTT platforms, and many of the young people who made their choices to open their accounts or their talent in front of the social media. So yeah, this is good actually. I like your setup. Would you please explain about it? What is this? I mean, you have a mic and
So
good earphones.
So basically, I am a video strategist, so I need to also make my video stuff better. So I am a
Yeah.
person who advises to make things better on video. So I thought, why not have a good lighting and teach people how to
Mhm.
work with their lighting with whatever they have, right?
Good.
So recently, I've put up a reel where I show how to make a better video, and it's really simple. All you need to do is just switch off the room light. All right, I was switch off. I'm coming live with my mobile phone, which has 720p pixels, and it's
Okay.
amazing. I could do videos in this like crazy because
Right.
it's all about lighting. So I switch off
Hmm.
the light, the room light, and then I use a ring light facing me. And then
Hmm.
to give a difference between the front and the back, I use a what do you say, LED strip light, blue light, which is
Right.
close to my brand color. So
Right.
somehow it makes us a little bit what do you say, professional.
Presentable.
So
Yeah. Also.
yeah,
Hmm.
so it's easy. It's anyone can do it actually. It's very, what do you
Right.
say, cheap setup.
Yeah, and I also saw your reels and everything. It's really good. I mean, it's as I said before, it's demand of the time. Many of the people पहले तो वो TikTok पे थे, अब वो Instagram reels पर आ गए हैं, and यहाँ पर they are finding more ways to create such creative reels. And I saw such videos of yours. So let's come to the main topic, and which is how to overcome camera fear.
Camera film.
And
Yep.
first, you start with your own experience, then I will start with my own experience.
Sure, sure, sure. So the first time I faced a camera was in my school days. That was for some sort of what do you say, audition for a stage show, and we had to do a lot of what do you say, audition and stuff to select who was going to be there on the stage. And that's the first time in my life I faced a camera, and I was really stammering and shivering, and I was like, this is not going to work. But basically, I somehow tweaked it in my school days itself by what do you say, impressing myself the fact that I'm talking to my friends, right? So
Hmm.
there are my schoolmates were my friends. Whoever is there in the school, my school was not huge. Like when I did my schooling in UAE, Dubai.
Okay.
So over there, my school was like really small. So it was easy for me to know everyone who is facing me, and whenever I'm on stage or if I'm doing a video, I know that I'm talking to my friends. So I ease the, what do you say, fear down, knowing that I'm just talking to my friends. Just be casual, just be natural. So I started to face, but still then I used to have, what do you say, word problems. Like I stammer in between. I go out of words.
Right.
Yeah.
Nervousness.
So yeah, nervousness. And to that, I understood what we
Hmm.
can do is do not
Right.
think of something previously and keep like previously. You should not be ready for what is coming. If you be ready, you already know that, okay, I need to say this, I need to say that.
Hmm.
When the
Right.
camera is on or when you're in front of an audience, your brain start to go back to what you planned, and if you're not able to catch it, you start to stammer, right?
Right.
So it's better to keep it natural, just go for it,
Hmm.
and whatever comes into your mind, just speak it out. So that's how usually I do my reels and stuff. And even at the beginning of the time, I used to have this problem. I went back to again the old style where I remember like I have a script, proper script, like I word by word I used to remember and try to say, and it was really bad for me when I was not able to enjoy my videos. So then
Right.
I understood we should have a script, but it should be basically pointers, like what you should cover. All right, you should cover a, point B, point C, and then you just need to think of those points in your brains and just talk about it. All right, whatever
Right.
comes in between is natural, because nowadays people are not worried about how you talk, what's your slang, what's your pronunciation. They don't give a shit about any of those. All
Confidence.
they think is what is the content you are giving. If is it clear?
Yeah.
If it is clear,
Right.
they're all good with it. So it's much easier for nowadays for people. Previously people used to judge, okay, his slang, his pronunciation is very Indian, or
Right.
he is kind of what do you say, especially people from South India, people people from North
I
India
know.
or abroad,
Yeah,
we
yeah.
get judged because of this pronunciations which we do. But nowadays,
Hmm.
people are more generic. People are like, how I just need to know what he's talking about. The content, content is what matters. So now it's more easier. Yeah. So that's my
Right.
whole experience in front of the camera. And I would suggest everyone the best way. Recently, I came up with a reel also. The best way to overcome camera fear is to face it, right? Without
Yeah.
facing it, there's no overcoming. So what you can do is you can
Hmm.
practice offline. What you can do is you can talk in front of the camera, record it, and save it and watch it again and again. The main
Yes.
reason why we have a camera fear, even after recording something, is we record and then we look at it and we be like, oh my God, I sound like this, I look like this. So I have
Right.
some kind of, that annoying feeling inside us. So what we should do is we should practice in front of the camera, record it,
Hmm.
and then watch it again, all offline. You need not post it,
Right.
right? You need not post every video you record. You can just post it. If you have camera fear, you just record it and then watch it and practice this again and again, so your brain start to accept the fact that, okay, this is how I look, this is how I sound. All right. So then you get the confidence. All right, I'll just put it up. And when it is uploaded, you already know that you sound like this, you look like this. You don't give a shit about anything else. You
Right.
slowly start to be confident in front of the camera. And when you are confident, your audience also be completely confident about
एग्जैक्टली
you.
एग्जैक्टली कॉन्फिडेंस एक्चुअली निखर के बाहर आता है अगर हम शुद्ध शुद्ध हिंदी में कहें तो सेकेंडली दिस कैमरा में रिकॉर्ड करके वीडियो पोस्ट करना ये अपग्रेड हो चुका है कुछ साल पहले मिरर में देख के हम करते थे यू नो वी
Exactly.
यूज्ड टू जस्ट देखते थे बात करते थे हाउ वी आर कैसे हम हमारे नखरे कैसे हैं हम बात कैसे करते हैं व्हाट इज आवर एक्सेंट एंड एवरीथिंग वी यूज्ड टू थिंक अबाउट इट but then now it's upgraded to the social media and stories and camera recording. So also tell me when it comes to camera fear, it is a long process actually. It takes a year or more to overcome
It
the
depends.
whole fear.
It depends. It
Depends.
depends.
Definitely
Yeah.
it depends. But then it's quite hard. अगर देखा जाए तो there is a level of nervousness. कोई ठीक नर्वस होता है कोई काफी ज्यादा नर्वस होता है तो उन्हें उतना टाइम लगता है बट देन अगर आज के डेट में सोशल मीडिया में हमें तुरंत वहां पे आना हो सोशल मीडिया में खुद को प्रेजेंट करना हो एक्टिव रहना हो ऑल्सो इन दिस कैमरा इन्वॉल्व्स also showing ourselves involves so what would you say on that
So your last few lines, I don't understand. What did you say?
आई सेड कि सोशल मीडिया पर एक्टिव रहना है हमें उसमें
Hmm.
सोशल मीडिया में कैमरा इन्वॉल्व करता है स्टोरीज इन्वॉल्व करती हैं एंड वी हैव टू पुट वीडियोस एंड एवरीथिंग
Hmm.
फॉर एग्जांपल आई एम कमिंग लाइव राइट नाउ विथ यू
Hmm.
so to be active in such manner what would you
Hmm.
suggest to people who are new to social media and
Hmm.
who have not overcome the fear of camera yet
I would suggest the same thing. The offline practicing thing is the ultimate, what do you say, overcoming
okay
fear thing. So all you need to do, you have the power in your hand, the mobile phone, right? Nowadays, like no one would sit in front of a mirror and talk to us. It is effective, but up to an extent, you need to start facing your camera and see how it is going to, how are you going to really look like in front of the camera.
right
And one big important thing which has everyone has a problem is with when you record and when you watch it, you are actually seeing the inverted version how you usually see in the mirror. In the mirror we
hmm.
see an inverted version, and when you see in the mobile phone you see actual version how people see you. All right.
right
So yeah, that's when we get to see ourselves, like it's like us looking at our own soul. So that's somewhere we have this annoying feeling. So to overcome that, it is all about practicing. Keep practicing in front of the mobile phone offline. You need not post it, you need not show it anyone. You can just say record it and save it in your device, and then start. And while you do this process, you actually improve the way how you talk, you actually improve the way how you use your body language. Everything improves.
hmm.
So it is the
yeah
best way if you are planning to be active on social media, like on stories and lives and all these things. The best way to do is that face the camera, practice offline, and then slowly I'm 100% sure if you do practice offline, if you do practicing offline, later in a short span of period you will start to upload things, just like that. You'll be confident because you already know how you sound, you accepted the fact
right
how you are, right? So yeah.
Okay. Also, this process of overcoming the fear of camera is a long process. I'll tell you how it happened with me in my personal experience.
Sure, sure.
I was a
Please
radio
share your
jockey.
experience so I can,
Yeah.
figure out what is there. Yeah.
So I was a radio jockey. So रेडियो जॉकी में हमें कंटिन्यूअसली बात करना होता है, हमारे जो बात करने का तरीका होता है उससे सुधारना होता है, एंड सारे वर्ड्स प्रोनाउंसिएशंस क्लियर होने चाहिए बिकॉज सो मेनी पीपल आर लिसनिंग अस लाइव. आई वाज अ लाइव रेडियो जॉकी. सो देन बट देन ये प्रोसेस ऑफ ओवरकमिंग द कैमरा फियर वो काफी बाद में आती है. सबसे पहले आती है हमारी पर्सनालिटी, हाउ वी टॉक और हाउ वी
Mm-hmm.
ग्रीट पीपल और हाउ एम आई टॉकिंग टू यू राइट नाउ इन पर्सन, एंड मेरे मैनर्स क्या है या फिर मेरा बात करने का तरीका क्या है, मैं काफी फास्ट बात कर रही हूँ या फिर मुझे आपको सुनने. देर आर टू थिंग्स. व्हेन आई एम टॉकिंग, आई एम टॉकिंग ओनली, आई एम टॉकिंग, एंड देर आर अदर थिंग इज दैट आई एम लिसनिंग टू यू and then I am responding. So there are two things. When we go live or when we face camera, so उसमें धीरे धीरे वो चीजें आती हैं जब हमारी पर्सनैलिटी डेवलप होती है. सो इट्स अ वेरी लॉन्ग प्रोसेस. जब कोई 15-16 ईयर का जब कोई बच्चा होता है, बढ़ता है, वो धीरे धीरे उसकी उम्र बढ़ती है, लोगों से मिलता है, एंड देन जैसे उसकी पर्सनैलिटी आगे बढ़ती जाती है, the way they treat themselves in front of the people is actually what they are in front of the camera. I think that is because रेडियो जॉकी जब थी तब सिर्फ ऐसी बात करती थी, सिर्फ माइक था सामने. उसके बाद धीरे धीरे कैमरा के सामने आई तो थोड़ा कॉन्शियस हुई कि कैसे करूं, how I have to give my expressions in front of the camera. But then it was good. All it depends how you are in personal life, in real life, in short.
All right,
Can you
guys, I
hear me?
just lost one second, just for a second.
Right.
So you were saying that once you finished the recording, what do you say, radio jockey stuff, you moved on to the camera stuff and you started to, be cautious about being on camera, the
Yeah.
expressions. Yeah.
In short, what we are in personal life is what reflects in the social media life or what we are in front of the camera. I mean,
So I'll tell you one thing. So as you said, when you start to reflect, when you start to hello, hi Harshit. So when you start to reflect ourselves on the screen, on the what do you say, camera or wherever we are recording, that's when we actually be natural. When people will feel more connected. If you try to be someone else, or if you try to be what do you say,
exactly.
someone who you are not, people actually get it just like that. People will understand that you're acting. All right.
Right.
It's like a bad actor doing a bad acting. So it's better to
Right.
be ourselves, because if you're not an actor, it's much better to be yourself, so that we be able to connect with you. It's all about authenticity. Yes.
I guess there are many people that they have joined.
Yeah.
In fact, you guys can also ask a question if you have.
Please drop your questions in the question box. We'll be answering it. Also, if we could
Yes.
possibly come with a topic and pin it, people who are entering will be able to, understand.
Okay, I didn't do that actually. I should.
Yeah, we can do. Yeah, we can do.
अब तो नहीं हो पाएगा. It's too technical actually. I mean, and I am not wearing my specs. I have specs.
I'll do that way.
Yeah.
Over.
Hello everyone. Thank you for joining.
Okay, overcome camera fear. Okay.
Hello. Hi Shreyash.
Okay, I think
Okay.
you are the person who can pin it.
Exactly. Yeah. When I started the live chat, then and then I can do it. Now I don't think we can.
Now, right now, I have commented, right, how to overcome camera fear.
Yes,
All you need to do is just click on it, or I mean, press on it. Keep pressing on it. It will show up, I guess.
Okay.
Does it show pin comment? No?
No.
It's all right then. It's okay, we'll go with it.
Mhm.
So,
Yeah.
hey guys, everyone, please drop in your questions about how to overcome camera fear. If you have any sort of camera issues, fear issues, please drop it in. I'll be happy to answer it.
Right. So tell me about your reels and the video strategy thing which you upload, and you tell people about some tricks, right?
To
Your
use
voice
stock
is
video.
quite less audible.
Okay, just
I mean,
hold on a
not
second.
clear.
Is it clear now?
No, not much.
Just
It's
hold
not
on a second.
clear. I can hear you, but it's not clear.
All right, just is it better now?
Yeah. So you were
Okay, so
saying?
I was actually talking about how to what do you say, use stock videos. How to use stock videos for people
Mm-hmm.
who are not better at what do you say, recording, or maybe you know someone who wants to just do voiceover, but still they want to convey message effectively. They can use stock videos. It's a much better
Okay.
idea. Am I still
Right.
audible properly?
Yeah, 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 you are. Mm-hmm.
Okay, all right. So stock videos is a easy and cheaper way to what do you say, use videos as a effective way to convey your message. And all you need to do is just record, use your microphone, or you can use your normal headphones and just record your voiceover. And what you can do is use these stock videos effectively. And to use stock videos, there's few tricks where you should not be using it more than 6 to 7 seconds. That actually lags people. What you should be using is the sweet spot is 6 to 7 seconds, and
Okay.
it should be exactly what we are talking about. It's about emotions. If you talk about
Mm-hmm.
joy, happiness, you should be putting up videos that is very related to joy, happiness, and try maximum to use human stock videos, like where people are there, not the abstract one where there's a water dropping or any kind of other abstract stuff. People cannot actually relate quickly. When there is a human video going on, you can actually, I think we all know about Jay Shetty. He is an amazing person, right? Jay Shetty
Jay
is
Shetty, yeah. Yeah, yeah.
yeah, Jay Shetty.
Yes.
In most of his videos, he is a very motivational speaker. So whenever he puts up IGTV videos, what he does is the same thing. He uses stock videos where he'll be talking about emotions, happiness, sadness, depression, how to
Yeah, I have
overcome.
seen. Yeah.
Yeah.
It's quite
and it
motivational.
yeah, and it actually feels really good to watch his videos, is all because of his one is his voiceover, obviously the way he talks. The second is the
Right.
stock video. The stock videos which gives that impact. Like you see someone smiling, you also feel it. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
you feel that when someone is depressed, and on the screen someone is depressed, you feel that. It's basically how it is all about the theory of the movies. When you are at a theater and when you're watching something, you actually feel it. It's because it's human.
Mm-hmm.
There's a human connection. The human to human connection is there, and stock videos is all about using it in the right way to convey your
Right.
message. Yeah. So that's the process right now. I'm going on with the reels. For the last two reels, I've been doing more on stock videos, and today I'm dropping a post where I will be giving 10 websites for stock videos. There'll be a whole resource. All you need to do is just save it and
Nice.
use it.
Right. Uh, Ending it with one last question. You know what I think in this time, many of the youngsters and many of the people does not have any fear of camera actually, because call it TikTok or Instagram or Facebook or you know personal WhatsApp or hike and everything. We are
Video
much
call.
comfortable when we video call. Yeah.
Yeah, even video
So
calls. And now I've noticed that now this new generation, like my brothers, my siblings, everyone are doing
right.
their online classes, right? They're facing camera every day now. Every day morning.
Exactly. That's my point.
Yeah,
So there are many less people who right now have the fear of camera, because actually यहाँ पे दो बातें आती हैं. पहली बात तो यह है कि हम कैमरा के सामने कुछ पीछे म्यूजिक डाल के we are dancing and there are no expressions, or there is no something I'm talking about. There is nothing like that. Another thing is that I'm talking about something and ना कुछ म्यूजिक है, बैकग्राउंड म्यूजिक है, सिर्फ लोग मुझे सुन रहे हैं. Other thing is TikTok, best example. So I don't think many people have camera fear. What do you think?
I'll tell you is the main one reason why most of the people nowadays doesn't have camera fear is because one which happened long back itself, that's selfies. We started to take a lot of
Yeah.
selfies. That actually gave us the what do you say, confidence to be in front of the camera. That is one. The second
Right.
thing is mostly Snapchat and TikTok that influenced
Right.
millions of people to start recording. And they do not actually record it directly and then upload it directly. What they do is they take 2 to 3 takes, right? They keep practicing actually. That is
Exactly.
indirectly you start to do practicing, and then you put it up online, and then you feel confident about it, and then slowly, and there is two ways. One is the one you said, dancing in front of the camera, and be
Right.
confident in that way. People need to be confident that way. And the other is right now what we are doing. People talk, and
Yeah.
people talking is actually much more difficult
Very
than the
less. Right. And it's
because
also less compared to the TikTok and all the entertainment. It's less if we
yeah,
have a
because
look at it.
people have the fear. Okay, will audience understand what I'm saying, or will audience accept what I'm saying?
Exactly.
Will they give me negative comments?
How
So
they
what
will
we need
like
to
it. How
yes,
they will find
so
it.
that
Mhm.
fear of rejection. What you need to accept is that all we need to do accept the fact is that there are people who knows better than us. Okay, there are people like huge influencers, creators who knows better than us, and there are also people who knows very less than us. There are people who
Right.
doesn't know what we're talking about. There are people who want to know what we're talking about, those content, and there are people who have the fear of coming in front of camera, less than,
Mhm.
more than how you do. So what we need to always remember and accept the fact is that these people who does not know more than you are your target audience, not the people who
Right.
knows more, right? So if we accept that fact that there are people who knows less than you, will start to be more confident, and will avoid that fear of rejection, that what will others think, what will others think. There are people who will accept you. There are like 80 to 90 percentage people who will accept you, and there will be only a 10 or 5% of people who will not accept you, and those people actually will be, what do you say, hiding behind the camera. They I'm 100%
Yeah.
sure people who overcome the camera fear will never ever neglect you or give negative comments. They will support you.
Exactly. I mean, it's a talent to show something in front of the camera and to the people. And I would like to correct you in this thing. As you said, कि बात करना is quite difficult then to show entertainment. But then it's too difficult for me. I don't know for you it is or not to sing or to dance or to show some adai in front of the camera and then with the music then I have to do drama. That is much more difficult than just simply talking about it.
True,
Don't you
true,
think?
true, true.
Yeah,
So
and
the
with
the
just
main reason
research.
why I am not compared to that is because I am a dancer. Okay, I do dancing
uh,
jam sessions as well. So for
I'm
me,
not.
dancing in front of
I
the
can't
camera.
dance. Yeah,
So for me, dancing in front of the camera is kind of easy, but talking in front of the camera is a little bit more effort because I'm
hmm,
thinking, right, and I'm dancing. I'm not thinking. It's all a flow. So when I'm
right.
talking, I'm trying to think. So for me, that is the difference. But like you said, people who does not know dancing, or people who are not that having that body flow, will have trouble with doing that also, more than talking.
Right.
Yeah,
And
exactly.
I have seen the reels and the TikTok 60 एज से लेके चाहे वो एक ओल्ड एज सीनियर आंटी हो या फिर कोई अंकल हो या फिर एक छोटा बच्चा हो देयर इज अ गर्ल शी इज सो क्यूट उसकी एक वीडियो वायरल हो रही है शी आई थिंक शी मस्ट बी ओनली 3 to 4 year ओल्ड एंड मिडिल एज का हो सब लोग इतने कंफर्टेबल हो जाते हैं आज के डेट में टू शो द टैलेंट और टू शो सम एक्सप्रेशन और बॉलीवुड स्टाइल और तड़का so it's really good actually. Yeah.
But right now, it's going to be. I mean, what do you say? It has all moved to reels now, so, right? So
Yeah, it
people
has.
have, yeah, people are more into reels. And actually,
Mhm.
when I started off with this platform, it was carousels. It was basically carousels which pushed me to do things, and everyone was doing carousels. Still now, people do carousels. But then later on, like I said, I started to notice that video is blooming. People started to convey message easily. Video is much easier than carousel, because carousel you need to sit, you need to design, you need to think about the aesthetics, everything. You need to, maybe maximum minimum, you need to put an hour of editing process. But when it comes to video,
Right.
if you are once you get confident, it is going to be easy. All you need to do is take the mobile phone, record it, upload it, right? So it's going to be instant. So
Right.
it, once you gain that confidence, and to gain that confidence, like I said, there are a lot of processes. If you are not confident, there are a lot of processes you can do. But video is much easier and more effective, I would say, because now
Hmm.
reels are blooming. And if you notice, whenever we upload a reel and if you put it up in the feed, there's thousands of views for everyone.
Exactly, we
So
get more views on that. Most people are
mm,
on that actually. Pehle TikTok tha,
exactly.
but then after that Instagram, presented the reels, and so the views are quite good. Reach is good on reels. Yeah.
So so
All right.
so it's better,
So
much
yeah.
effective to use reels, videos, and
Hmm.
yeah. So I suggest everyone to start using reels. Yeah.
Your network, it's gone.
So I said, am I audible now? Am I good?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. So I said I suggest everyone to start using reels if you haven't. Yeah.
I haven't. I have to start actually. So it was great. You shared so many points on
Thank you.
overcoming camera fear. In fact, it was really enlightening. But there are many people, as I said, who have already overcome that fear in today's time, and it's really good to see such confidence in people who did not have any confidence back then, right?
True. True. So is there any questions
Right. All right
you
then.
want?
I don't think any have, but then when we will upload this video, no, I think many
You will-
questions will come. So I
you
will
will
definitely
study.
let you know.
Sure. Sure. Sure thing.
Yeah. All right then. Thank you so much, Twitter
Uh,
boy. Thank
yeah.
you. Bye bye.